Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing to you my solution of AtCoder regular contest 105 problem A. So let's get right into it. Now before we start, I just need to tell you that my solution isn't the best solution out there and it's not the most intelligent one, but I can assure you that it works. So let's get right into it. So let's read our problem statement. Snook has 4 cookies with deliciousness A, B, C, and D. He will choose one or more from those cookies and eat them. Is it possible that the sum of the deliciousness of the eaten cookies is equal to that of the remaining cookies? Okay, so basically he's gonna give us 4 numbers and he's gonna choose one or more numbers. And then we're gonna calculate if the sum of such chosen numbers equals the sum of the remaining numbers that he has not chosen. Like for example, over here 1, 3, 2, and 4. If he chooses 1 and 4, the sum will be 5, and the remaining numbers 3 and 2, their sum is also 5. So 5 and 5, they equal each other, so we're gonna output yes. However, in the second example, no matter how much numbers he chooses, or what such numbers he chooses, the sum of the chosen numbers will never be equal to the sum of the remaining numbers, so we should output no. So yeah, since he only gives us 4 numbers, then we could create a hard-coded solution. I don't recommend that, but this is what we're going with here. So there are only 4 numbers, so we can have a total of 8 possibilities. Let's see what kind of possibilities we can have. So we have A, B, C, and D. First of all, he could add 2 numbers at a time, AB or AC, or AD, or BC, or BD, or CD. Okay, so right now we've started off with 6 possibilities. We've got 2 possibilities remaining. Yeah, so now we've chosen all of the possibilities that have 2 numbers. Now we can move into the possibilities that have 3 numbers. So we can either have A, B, and C, or B, C, and D. Since there are just 4 numbers, we can't have any more 3 numbers possibilities. So yeah, these are all of the possibilities that we can have. So we can go ahead now and create an array which gonna have all of the possibilities, and it's gonna have a size of 8. Okay, now we should also create the variables that we should output, or that he will give us, A, B, C, and D. Not like that, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now we have all of our variables. Now actually we could take all of these variables by using cin, and now we should start initializing our array. So pos1 of 0 gonna equal A and B, pos1 of 1 is gonna equal A and C, pos1 of 2 is gonna equal A and D. Now we're done with the A possibilities. Now we can move on to the B possibilities. So pos1 of 3 is gonna equal to B plus C, pos1 of 4 is gonna equal B plus D. And then now we move on to the 3 numbers possibilities. So pos1, oh wait, I forgot something. We forgot the C equals C plus D. pos1 of 6 equals A plus B plus C. Pos1 of 7 equals B plus C plus D. Okay, so now you will notice that we have all of the possibilities of the chosen numbers, the numbers that he chooses. How about the sums of the possibilities of the remaining numbers? So yeah, that should be fairly easy. So if first he chooses AB, then we could over here say CD, and if he chooses AC, it's gonna be BD, and if he chooses AD, it's gonna be BC, and if he chooses BC, it's gonna be AD. Okay, so let's just switch over here. What else did we have? BC, BD. I need to fix this. So if he chooses BD, we're gonna choose AC. If he chooses CD, we're gonna choose AB. And if he chooses ABC, we're gonna choose D. If he chooses BCD, we're gonna choose A. So yeah, these are all of the possibilities of the remaining numbers. So now we should create another array, which we could call it pos2, and also the size of 8. Now actually we can initialize our second array. So pos2 of 0, actually pos2 of 0 equals CD, pos2 of 1 equals BD, sorry, BD, pos2 of 2 equals BC, pos2 of 3 equals AD, I think. Yup, AD. pos2 of 4 equals, oops, I forgot the plus sign. So pos2 of 4 equals AC. pos2 of 5 equals AB. pos2 of 6 equals ACAB equals D. pos2 of 7 equals A. So now we're done with the hard part. Now into the easy part. So now that we have all of the possibilities, we've initialized them, all we gotta do is create a for loop for integer I equals 0, I smaller than 8, I plus plus. If pos1 of I equals pos2 of I, then cout yes and L, and then return 0. And if that didn't happen, then we could just go ahead and say cout no. Okay, so now let's test our code. G++ -o main.cpp Okay, there are errors. Okay, what is this? CI was not declared in the scope. Oh man, I forgot to add these. Oh man. Okay, let's try again. Main. Okay, so 1, 3, 2, and 4. So if we type for here 1, 3, 2, and 4, it outputs yes, which is correct. However, if we say 1, 2, 4, and 8, it should output no, which is also correct. Now let's just go ahead and copy our code and try and run it. Okay, so let's paste and submit, and we'll see what happens. And we got wrong answer. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so what happened right there? How many times? Only 2 wrong answers. Okay. Maybe it's because we forgot to add the 1. So we didn't make like a test case. If he only chooses 1 number, we didn't actually account for that. So we should add the functionality for it. If A equals B plus C plus D, or B equals A plus C plus D, or C equals B plus A plus D, or D equals A plus B plus C. So if this happens, if he chooses one of them and it does work, then we should just see out yes and L, and if it didn't, then see out no L, return 0, and then over here return 0. Okay, let's try again, see if nothing. Okay, so it's working correct. Now actually let's try and submit again and see what happens. Submit. See if it's working. Wrong answer again. So now how many times? 5 times. Okay. 5 times wrong answer. How about we comment out this part? Okay, let's just see if A equals B plus C plus D, or B equals A plus C plus D, or C equals B plus A plus D, or D equals A plus B. I see that it's correct. I don't know why it's not working. Let's try again. It should work, however, Okay, accepted. See, so my problem was with that else statement, it was wrong. So yeah, this was today's video, hope you enjoyed, and see you later.